Chiwenga is a threat to all of them, not just to President's tenure, to the entire family's position in a post. Mnangagwa, Zimbabwe. A Chiwenga succession does not simply end EDC presidency, it ends the family project, it ends the business ecosystem built around the family project, it ends the political protection that has made the family's economic activities possible. Sarabina mashkoto gopana pana retired general Winston Skoki mapranga no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Mapranga na samdanyara GT. This is why the operation against Chiwenga is a desperation to them. That pure political calculation alone does not fully explain. There is a personal, familial, existential quality to the campaign against him that goes beyond rational succession management. They thought he would come back in a coffin because they needed him to come back in a coffin. He did not oblige. What General Chiwenga knows, a man who has survived what Chiwenga survived in 2019 carries a particular kind of knowledge that cannot be acquired any other way. He knows who celebrated when he fell ill. He knows who made the cause. He knows who began restructuring their political calculations around his absence. He knows who visited his sick bed with concern on their faces and relief in their hearts. He knows all this because the networks that kept him alive, the loyalists that held the people who chose him over the operation, reported back thoroughly, accurately. General Chiwenga returned from China knowing more about his enemies than they knew about themselves. And every operation since the Northern track, the income of blood, the New Lands arrest is confirmed and deepened the knowledge. Each failed operation is a new intelligence dividend for the men they are trying to eliminate. Each collapse of a plot is a new roster of names, a new chain of command, a new set of faces attached to the architecture of his destruction. They keep trying, and every attempt make him stronger. The soldier who will not fall. I want to speak now as one soldier and another across the public space, directly to General Kosano Chiwenga, because I believe he is reading these pages and I believe he deserves to hear this said plainly. We see what is being done to you. The institution sees it. History sees it. You are not simply fighting for your political survival. You are whether you choose this row or hate. It thrust upon you by the desperation of your enemies fighting for the constitutional principle that no man owns Zimbabwe. Toma developments are good upon Super VP Kosano Chiwenga Chiwenga our Chiwenga is a victor. Pina comment section menus of more any more good upon this development. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.